Hello everyone, welcome to QPath channel. Today I want to talk about one of the most common interview question. What is a test automation framework and why do we need it? This question because it is one of the most frequently asked question in automation QA and estate interviews. Interviewer asks this to understand whether a candidate knows real project automation or only tools. If you are preparing for Selenium or automation interview, this topic is very important. Let's first understand what is test automation framework. In simple words, it is a structured way of writing and managing automation code. Instead of writing a script randomly, a framework helps us follow rules, standards, and best practices so the automation becomes clean and reusable. Why do we need automation framework? Imagine writing automation script without any structure. After some time, the code becomes very difficult to understand and maintain. So that if we use any framework, everything is organized, test cases, utilities, reports, configuration. This makes automation easy to scale. In real projects, if we don't use a framework, automation scripts becomes hard to maintain and impossible to scale. That's why frameworks are needed. Benefits: faster execution, automated test runs much faster than manual testing. So, secondly, reusability. Common functions can be reused across different test cases. And reduced human error, since tests are automated, manual mistakes are avoided. And finally, CI/CD integration. Framework can be integrated with tools like Jenkins or GitLab or Azure DevOps pipeline can be configured to automation suits every code commit or release. In real-time project, for example, whenever developer pushes the code, the CI/CD pipeline triggers the automation framework, executed regression and sanity suits, and shared reports automatically with the team. That's why understanding this question clearly very important for automation interviews because it reflects how well you understand real-time project automation frameworks. I hope this explanation helped you to understand why automation frameworks are so important in real project. That's all for this video. If it helped you, please like and subscribe for more automation interview content. Thank you.